Greetings everyone. The topic for today is related to IELTS reading skills, and we further discuss about the tips before you take the test and during the test. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel for updates related to IELTS, PTE, English grammar and English language learning lessons. Let's move ahead with this topic now. Before you take the test, read as much as you can in English. So this will enhance your reading capacity and ability. Read a variety of topics from a variety of sources, for example, tourist information brochures, government reports, scientific research topics, health and safety brochures, newspapers, news and social interest magazines, information from colleges and universities as well. Keep a notebook of the words you learn, because these words will help you out in solving the IELTS writing skills exam. Try to write these words in a sentence. Try to put these sentences into paragraphs. Learn words from context, not from words list. You can guess meanings. Know how to make predictions. Know about the type of questions asked on the IELTS. You should also know how to skim and scan, how to look information quickly, because as we know that we are time bound in IELTS test, so for each section we should divide our time accordingly, and for that we need to be very practiced related to solving the questions and the time management as well. During the test, so there are few tips related to during the test session. Read the title and any headings first. Make predictions about the topic. So the first topic, when you will read it, make predictions. That is sort of the paragraphs or which sort of the information you will be going through, reading through those paragraphs and make assumptions as well. So look over the questions quickly. Make predictions about the content and organization as well. Read the passage at a normal speed. Don't get stuck on parts or words you don't understand, because sometimes it happens when you read, there are some difficult vocabulary. You can guess the meaning of those words because you cannot consult a dictionary at that time. So obviously you just need to just assume or guess about the meanings at that moment. So when you answer the question, don't spend too much time on the ones you don't feel sure about. Make a guess and go on, because while doing that, you will not be wasting your time and you will be managing your time in a good way during the test. After you have answered all the questions, you can go back and check the ones you are not sure about. Spend no more than 20 minutes on each passage or section. The last page is longer and complex than the first two, so remember to save time for it. Be sure to write your answers on the answer sheet before the 60 minutes are up, because you will not be provided with the extra time for this particular test session. You will not have extra time to transfer your answers the way you did in the listening test. If instructions asked you to use no more than 3 words to complete an answer, do not write more than 3 words. You will lose your points if you will do, or if you will not follow the instructions. Learn to understand true, false, and yes or no questions. They are the most difficult questions on the test. Practice them often so that you will be confident during the test. So there's a full-fledged difference between the true false questions and between yes or no questions. You're not supposed to write yes for the true and for the true yes. So read the instructions accordingly and answer the questions according to the requirement of the questions. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further updates related to IELTS writing, listening, and speaking test. Thank you.